Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video. And if you are a Lofi person specifically, you're gonna love today's video because today we're gonna see a easy, simple, most soothing and ad-free website for Lofi music. And that's it. You can play the stations, you can play it continuously. It is browser based. You don't have to open Discord, you don't have to open YouTube, you don't have to open anything. Just open the tab in your Chrome or whatever browser you are using and just play it, and that's it. So simple. So let's just visit the website and end today's video. So today's video gonna be really short. So here is our today's website, which is Focusly, because I think because now a lot of people listen to lofi music while they are working and just to be in focus. That's why they play lofi music. So yeah, I think that's why they have named it. I'm just assuming. I don't know. Okay. So obviously you can just play music from here. I don't know those music are copyright free or not, but I will let you listen for us 3 seconds. Okay, so listen to it. That's over 3 seconds. So yeah, there are some categories. Here is all. Actually you can choose from 30 stations, and I you will find some similar station here that are already in YouTube. You will find obviously some of the similar stations. Here is soothing relaxation, my favorite music channel, like a music, not music channel, relaxation channel in YouTube. So here it is also. So actually those are, I don't know those are soothing relaxation or not, but the thumbnail are from soothing relaxation, so obviously those are soothing relaxation. So, and you can choose lofi. Obviously those are lofi stations. You can choose jazz, you can choose classics, you can choose techno and meditation. Those are soothing relaxation for sure, I know, because I have heard them a lot. So let's play it, then see. Yes, it's soothing relaxation. So that's it, and you can obviously set timer. Maybe you're gonna sleep some after some time and you're gonna set the timer, it will automatically stop it. So that's it about this website. Try it out yourself and let me know if you like it or not, because obviously I'm gonna use it. And just to be sure, just to show you that I gonna use it, I am bookmarking it right now, okay, in front of you. Done. So that's it for this video. So bye. Oh, before bye, let me tell you, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my contents, please subscribe to my channel. Bro, what are you doing? Like 75% of people aren't subscribed still. Please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps, cool web apps, websites, resources, APIs, open sources, anything, please let me know about all of them. And now, bye.